Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some catching up after my entire family had norovirus. It's been a rough couple of weeks over here, but the number one thing that I've fallen behind on is laundry. You just saw my ginormous laundry pile, and my hallway in general is just a mess from doing a bunch of decluttering in the kids' rooms. I did have to put the spring deep cleaning, decluttering, and organizing on pause because we got sick. When I originally created my 30-day spring cleaning schedule with AI, I even had in the back of my mind, I was like, if for some reason somebody gets sick this month, there's no way I'm going to be able to do this, and I was just hoping for the best. I almost feel like at this point I spoke it into reality, like maybe if I never would have had that thought, we never would have gotten sick. I don't know, who knows? Your mind is a pretty powerful thing. But here we are, feeling a lot better, thankfully, and it's just time to do some catching up before we get back to the deep cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. I'd love to know how you are doing and feeling this spring. I know in my area, norovirus is going around like crazy. And it's not like your typical norovirus where the symptoms go away in 1 to 3 days. For some reason, this specific strain has lasted each child like 4 to 6 days. Also really common during this time of the year is headaches and migraines, just because the seasons are changing, the weather is changing. As a mom of many little ones, it can definitely be a little bit physically and mentally draining when everyone is feeling unwell. You're up all hours of the night constantly taking care of everyone, and I just want to remind you to also take care of yourself. Take your vitamins, drink some water, go for a walk, try to eat some healthy food, sit in the sun for a little bit, get some vitamin D. It's just really important that you take care of you so that you can also take care of everyone else too. Remember that you cannot pour from an empty cup. I just finished up folding all of the towels. I'm getting those put away, and I won't be putting the kids' clothes away, just simply separating them into their different laundry baskets. My main goal here was to get everything put in its place and out of the hallway. At this point, that did not mean putting the kids' clothes away in their closet, just separating them and at least getting them into their rooms. All of my kids have color-coded collapsible laundry baskets, making separating their laundry super easy. Adeline's is purple, Hazel's is pink, Noah's is green, and Wyatt's is kind of a peachy color. We were going for orange. They didn't have a true orange one, and this was the closest they had. Orange is his favorite color, so that's the one we went with. Before putting Adeline's clothes in her clean purple laundry basket, I decided to do a quick declutter because she did have quite a few clothes in there that were too small, either 6 to 12 months or some even smaller than that. Right now she's in 12 to 18 months and they just grow so fast. I feel like every time I do laundry, I'm decluttering a few pieces of her clothes. And these bathing suits for summer, I just can't even handle how cute they are. Time to clean my floor using my Dreame X50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum.
Start cleaning.
This is the world's first robot vacuum with retractable legs, helping it get over doors, sills, and small steps. As you can see, the robot works great on hard floors and carpet, plus it easily tackles messes along edges and around irregular corners.
Start charging. Start auto empty. Start cleaning mop pads.
As you can see, the mop pads are completely clean thanks to the Ace Clean dryboard system, which fires 20 high-temperature spray nozzles, and the innovative design of the Duo brush working in opposite directions, one rubber and one with bristles. I never have to worry about tangles. Once the mops are done being cleaned and hot air dried, the washboard is completely spotless, streak-free, and dry. To check out the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum, click the link in my description. After getting through all of that laundry, we're moving to the other side of the hallway. I have bags here from clothes that I've decluttered out of the kids' rooms. I have some storage containers. There's a bunch of random toys that need to be put away, and all of the books that have been pulled out of the bookshelf, those need to be put away. This is one of Adeline's current favorite activities, is to pull all of the books off of the bookshelf. After finishing up in the hallway, we're going to move to the kitchen to do some general picking up and cleaning. There were some things left out on the counter that needed to be put away. I wanted to wipe down the counters, clean out the microwave, clean the oven, and wipe down the stove. Thank you so much for being here and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.